Ito guys yung chicken pastil natin. Later on, kukuha tayo ng mga feedback kung ano ang masasabi nila. So, let's go! Para kukuha na lang kita ng reaction namin. Okay, so ayun guys. So, we have 2 students here. So, in-invite natin sila na try yung ating chicken pastil. Later on, we'll get their feedback kung ano yung masasabi nila. So, thankful ako. Pumayag sila. So, check natin later on. So, magsaserve muna tayo ng pastil sa kanila. Connie is preparing the pastil and as well with John. Ilalagay niyo yung ating chicken pastil dun sa lalagyan. Asan yung lalagyan? Okay, so ayan, nilagay na ni Connie. Sige lang Connie, pag hindi umubra, kutsarahin mo palabas. Okay. So medyo madikit. Okay lang, ilagay mo lang sa ibabaw. Then pakiayos na lang yung ano. Yan. Yan. Okay, so that's it. So yung sauce, please. Pwede mo doon sa ano?
Ang sauce dito.
Yeah. Siguro mga maybe yan, isang kutsara siguro. Kalat mo lang. Okay, ako na mag-serve. Bigyan mo ng spoon. Okay. So guys, this is our first serving. Sir, tikman niyo yan. Let's wait. Okay. So we'll wait for the other one. Okay. It's for you.
Thank you.
Spoon. Sir, how's the taste? What do you think? So far so good. Sir, kamusta yung unang bite mo? Thank you. So yun. No, it's not a gravy. Parang ano siya, parang ano siya, specialized na parang sweet and sour sauce yung ginawa namin. So later on maybe we'll be coming up with more barbecue, adobo, mga ganun. Parang base lang yung chicken. So yun yung idea. So sir, ano pong name niyo sir?
I'm Sito from Capsule City.
Okay. Ano yung nickname mo sir?
You can call me Sito or Annie.
Sito, okay. So Annie, how's the taste? Okay naman siya?
Okay siya, masarap siya.
Yeah. Pwede bang recommend sa mga classmates natin? Just in Bea.
I will tell my classmates about it.
Okay, thank you. And sir, ano pong name nila?
Hi, I'm Jude from Capsule City. You can call me Fandy. So far, so good. Masarap.
Thank you very much. So, ayan. Please, kain lang. Sorry, medyo nagtitake ako ng footage. I hope okay lang sa inyo. Thank you. With me here is June. So, pinatikim natin sa kanya yung ating chicken pastil. June, what can you say about our chicken pastil?
Yeah, masarap naman. Pero yung masasuggest ko lang, di ba, yung ibang pastil nagmamantika. Pero much better siguro kung lulutuin pa ng medyo matagal. Pero masarap naman siya.
So, you like parang ano siya, dry?
Yeah.
We can do that actually. So, I've designed na may sauce siya para at least tingin ko para hindi siya dry masyado sa kanin, pero some prepared like medyo dried. I think okay din yun. And
Tapos yung nagmamantika.
gusto mo na nagmamantika. So, you like parang kumbaga yung sauce optional na lang siya.
Yeah.
Like if we could do magmantika na lang yung pastil, better. Okay, we'll do that. Okay guys, si Sito naman ang ating interview. And Sito, what can you say about our chicken pastil?
And yung first impression, masarap. Tsaka yung presentation, maganda. But same with June, I would suggest that the pastil should much more on the drier side because naniniwala ako yung mga students must prefer yun. And also I would say that the sauce would be put na lang sa side, like an optional thing.
Okay.
Kasi merong mga students na ayaw yung mga texture na ganun, yung medyo basa, tsaka yung medyo ganun.
Yeah, at least we've got.
Pero overall, the taste is good and the presentation is nice.
Thank you very much, Sito and June. Maganda yung feedback nyo. We'll take it positively and pag mag-launch tayo, we'll make something different like mamantika and we'll just put the sauce on the side. So thank you very much.
Thank you so much.
Okay guys, so here are the students na napatry natin ang ating pastil. So we'll let them give their feedback later on. Katulad ng dalawa kanina. So isa nang kumain, tawag dito. Kunan natin sila ng feedback. And si Cindy, kumakain siya ng pastil. So hi! Okay guys, so another students with me here is Diane and Colleen. Sila yung na-invite natin para mag-food tasting dun sa atin chicken pastil. And may we ask Ma'am Diane kung ano yung feedback mo. What do you think about our pastil? Okay ba siya?
Masarap.
Masarap. So would you like, you can recommend it to your other classmates? Okay, and how about Colleen?
Masarap.
Masarap. Parang nahihiya na sila mag-ano yun. Pero masarap naman siya talaga. So, ayun. And I'll be visiting other students and offer them dun sa chicken pastil natin. Anyway, today it's on me. So, that's for free. Okay, yung ibang product naman yung interview natin about our chicken, kung kumusta ba naman. Si Cindy, isa doon sa nag-offer tayo ng chicken pastil, pero mukhang hindi siya mahilig gaano sa rice, pero I would like to ask her feedback as well kung kumusta naman. Cindy, okay ba ang pastil? What can you say? Manamit. So masarap daw. So that's their dialect here in Capiz. Manamit is masarap. I learned a lot din. So manamit ang pastil. Okay, so thank you very much. Okay, so serve na natin yan. Serve na lang natin. Okay. Ma'am, here's for you. And sorry. Another one for you. Okay. And another one. Okay guys, so isa dito sa mga estudyante may birthday today, so in-offeran natin sila ng free chicken pastil. So isinama na natin yung sa simple na handa niya. Okay, so ayan si Andrew, birthday niya today. Ayan, may small cake siya, and of course simple na chicken pastil. So ayan, I hope they will like the food. Ayan guys, dig in, kain na kayo. And guys, please help me promote yung pastil natin. That will only be 35 pesos pag ila-launch na natin siya. So ayun. Guys, magte-take to tayo dun sa comment natin. Si Ma'am, what's your name, Ma'am?
My name is Christy Lizada.
Oh, si Christy. Ano pong masasabi ni Ma'am?
Ang chicken pastil ay hindi nakakaumay. Balance yung taste niya ng tamis tsaka anghang.
Wow, I like that. How about Andrew? What can you say? Happy birthday.
As Kristen said, the taste is so delicious and balance, ang kagitanis. So it's so perfect sa lunch.
Thank you. And si Ma'am, what's your name, Ma'am?
Hazel po.
Hazel. How's the taste, Hazel?
Masarap po kay ang alat ang pastil kag ang tamis. Compliment.
Wow. Thank you. Thank you, Hazel. And si Ma'am? What's your name, Ma'am? How's the taste, Eunice?
Yung chicken pastil po, masarap. Tapos, balance yung tamis at saka anghang. Hindi siya nakakaumay.
Thank you very much. And last but not the least, si Ma'am. What's your name, Ma'am?
Kathleen po.
Sorry, Ma'am?
Kathleen.
Kathleen. How's the taste ng pastil natin?
Masarap po yung masasabi ko. Masarap siya.
Wow. Thank you very much, guys. Thanks. Andrew, happy birthday again. May you have more birthdays to come. Thank you very much.